All right.
Airport information Alpha 2153 Zulu automated weather. Wind is 030 at 18, visibility 8.
Blinking
2
red
clouds
light.
18,000, 25,000 scattered. Ceiling 30,000 broken. Temperature 26. Check density altitude dew point -9er. Altimeter 29er 84. Occasional patchy blowing dust. Visual approach and use. Landing runway 35 left. Simultaneous approaches are being conducted to converging and parallel runways. No disturban. Taxiway might close north of taxiway Tango. All departures contact ground combined with tower on 120.5 for clearance and taxi instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Alpha.
Hey, Alpha's still current. I've got Alpha.
Okay, good.
International Airport information Alpha 2153 Zulu automated weather. Wind is 030 at 18, visibility 8. Few clouds 18,000.
Want to go to the northeast first, or do you want to go to Slayton first?
We're gonna go to the just east.
Northeast practice area?
Yeah, not northeast, but we'll go east.
Do I just say looking for an eastbound departure?
Yeah.
Okay. Lubbock Ram, Cherokee 65904 Juliet.
Cherokee 65904 Juliet, Lubbock Ram.
Cherokee 65904 Juliet at Hub City Aviation with information Alpha, ready to taxi. We'll be looking for an eastbound departure today.
Cherokee 904 Juliet, departure frequency 119.2, squawk 0453.
Departure frequency 119.2, squawk 0453 for 904 Juliet.
Cherokee 904 Juliet, runway 35 left at Foxtrot, taxi via the ramp.
Runway 35 left, taxi via Foxtrot, or runway 35 left at Foxtrot with taxi via the ramp for Cherokee 904 Juliet.
Alright, good.
A little bit of a glitch there.
And
do brakes.
do a little taxi briefing as well with your taxi diagram.
My taxi diagram right here, we are going to be going right here. We're just actually going to taxi right on up here to Foxtrot.
Okay, great.
Take off on 35 left. Okay.
Ground FedEx 783 Heavy, request taxi with Alpha.
FedEx 783 Heavy, Lubbock ground, runway 35 left, taxi via Sierra Mike, hold short of runway 17 right at Sierra.
Okay, taxi 35 left, taxi via Sierra Mike, hold short of 17 right on Sierra.
Engine sound kind of rough today.
Huh?
The engine sound a little rough.
Sounds okay to me.
Okay.
And your center line's right over there.
That one over there.
It might sound a little different because the wind's hitting the prop, making some vibrations. But remember, taxi with your wind correction, dive into the wind.
Okay.
FedEx 783 Heavy, cross runway 17 right.
And you can just do the run up over here.
Cross 17 right.
Right here, good?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Run brakes, we're up on there. Fuel's on the proper tank, both tanks were full when we checked. Go ahead and switch tanks just to make sure that both are low. Okay, still have good fuel pressure.
Good.
Okay. Trim set for takeoff, we should be good right where we were, right?
Yeah.
Flight controls free and correct, that one goes up, that one goes down. That one goes up, that one goes down. Stabilator looks good. Okay. Annunciator lights. Turn on our landing light. Mixture set for best power.
Alright, remember, set that with the RPMs up already.
Okay. Rev up to 2,000. Full wrench. leaning it back. A little bit of a drop right there.
Then I go about halfway back up to the top.
All right there, you think?
Maybe just a little more. Yeah, right about there.
Okay. Check the mags. And back to both. Check the right. And back to both. Okay, carb heat. There's the drop. We don't need it today. Vacuum, we're looking good. Okay, check our amps volts for us if you don't mind, please, sir. And light goes off, it drops. Comes back, we're good. Fuel pressure is on the green. Oil pressure is good to go. Oil temperature is rising.
Big D 463 with you, descending to pattern altitude.
Big D 463, Lubbock Tower, runway 35 left, cleared to land, wind 030 at 21.
Cleared land, 35 left.
Okay. Doors and windows are latched.
Attention all aircraft, Lubbock is Bravo current, wind 030 at 22, altimeter 2984.
What do you call the winds at?
030 at 22.
Okay. Same direction, just increased. Okay. Pre-takeoff, we're good on flaps. Carb heat, we don't need it. Doors and windows locked, transponder to altitude. Landing light on, strobes on. Time, I've got 5:50. Alright, let's taxi on up. Caution, wake turbulence on this one.
If we go up behind him, I think we'll beat him out.
Ready to go? Give him a call.
Ready.
Lubbock Tower, Cherokee 6594 Juliet, 35 left and Foxtrot, ready for takeoff.
Cherokee 6594 Juliet, Lubbock Tower, runway 35 left to Foxtrot, cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Cherokee 94 Juliet, cleared for takeoff, 35 left, we'll fly runway heading. Cherokee 94 Juliet.
Tower 783 Heavy will be ready when reaching.
FedEx 783 Heavy, roger.
Okay, trim set for takeoff. Flaps are good. Mixture set. Carb heat, we don't need it. Fuel pump is on. Landing light is on. Transponder's on altitude. Instruments are all set. I think we're all good to go. What do you think, Joe?
Looks good. Go ahead and get your hand on the yoke. Get the wind correction in.
Okay.
Your winds are coming out of this direction, so you need to bank into the wind.
Okay. Ready to go full power?
Yep. And as you speed up, you can slowly take out some of your bank.
Okay. Engine instruments look good. Airspeed's alive. Rotate.
And you'll come up off that right tire. There you go, lower the nose, and track down your center line. So you need to turn more into the wind. And establish your crab angle.
How's that?
Looking good. You're still to the left of center line, so I would turn more into the wind.
That is a heck of a crab.
Yeah.
Big D 463, traffic departing prior to arrival, heavy Airbus 306, caution wake turbulence.
Big D 30, make it 463, we have the traffic insight.
FedEx 783 Heavy, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff, turn left direct to Corona.
Okay, FedEx 783, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff, turn direct Corona.
Okay, climb, look for 87 knots. Power's good. Mixture, okay, fuel pump off.
Cherokee 94 Juliet, turn right heading 030.
Turn right, heading 030, 904 Juliet.
Get it trimmed out the way you want it. Get it trimmed out so you don't have to hold your pressure in.
Might want to fly the heading you gave me, huh?
Cherokee 904 Juliet, contact departure.
904 Juliet, over to departure. Good day. Over departure, Cherokee 6594 Juliet with you, passing 5,800.
394 Juliet, departure radar contact, resume on navigation.
904 Juliet.
Okay, turn 090.
Departure FedEx 783 Heavy, we're climbing out of 5.5 for 6,000.
FedEx 783 Heavy, let departure radar contact, climb maintain 17,000.
Climbing 17,000 FedEx 783 Heavy.
And keep climbing up to 6,500.